Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where I'll be sharing how I decorate my kids' Easter baskets for this year. So if you are like me and wondering what to put in your Easter baskets and how to decorate your Easter basket, this video is for you. So make sure to watch because I'll be making two different types of baskets. So one will be a Disney theme because we love Disney and we are a Disney family, and one will be a regular Easter basket. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. So come along with me as we decorate my 5-year-old daughter's Easter baskets. So Walmart has cute bunnies this time. And look, they have a dog bunny too. We're getting her. There's a gray one too. We're getting her one like this because usually we get her the typical ones. I think Walmart has all the best stuff. Super cute. And then they have these bags, baskets I can use probably for one of Alana's baskets. And they also have these peeps. I don't know what these are. Let's see. These are dough. So it's like a dough pack. Stitch. What is this? Bracelet. It's a bracelet maker. Pockets. Carrot one. Bunny one. First, I want to show you guys what all I got. A lot of these things are from Walmart and Five Below, so everything is really affordable. And then some of the decoration stuff I got from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and then I also got like the book from Target, and then some chocolates from Target as well. So yeah, let's dive right in and show you guys what I bought. So let's start with the basket. So for the regular basket that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna be using this cute little basket that I got from Walmart. It's super cute. It has stripes and it's blue, so it's super nice. And to fill these with like paper grass, I got this purple grass. Super cute. I'm gonna put that there. And then I got these bunny ears for my daughter from Five Below. I got these from Walmart. It's egg with like stretchy strings. Something that I know she's gonna really like. Then I got her these beads, like this bunny shaped beads. She loves making bracelets and necklaces for her friends. I think this will be really cute. And then this book is from Target. So super cute, and it's the ABC Kindness Easter book. I really like this. And I thought it was so cute. Got that. And then the main thing, the bunny. So the bunny is from Walmart. I usually give her those the bunnies that are like usually kind of standing up. This is more like a cute little realistic bunny, which I really liked and thought was different. So she can add it to her bunny collection. And then from the Target, like the dollar section of Target, I found these fabric carrots for only $3. So I really think this will be really cute with the bunny. And then I got this Peeps pot that she can paint. She loves painting. My daughter is an artist, so she loves painting. So this will be really good. It's from Walmart. And then from Michael's, I found these when I went to go with the decorations. The mug, it's a bunny mug, which I think she'll really like. You can paint. And I also got these eggs that she can paint. So I think I really like this. And then from the Easter section of Walmart, I got these ducks. She loves little ducks, and she also loves music. So I got her this little Easter guitar. And then my little girl loves chapstick, so I got her this lip smacker bunny one and then a Peeps one as well. So she has two. So those are like all the kind of like the toys for this basket, like the toys and the activities that she's getting for this basket. And then as for the chocolate, we always have to get her like these bunnies, these bunny chocolates, the hollow ones. So we got her that. Of course, I have to get some Lindt chocolates here that are egg-shaped, and then some Lindt carrots, super cute. And then I found this at Target. I thought this was really cute. It's like a cookie, tulip cookie. I think that will be really, really cute. And then I got these that I always get. They're the Bunny and Chicks by Lindt. So I'm gonna put these all over the basket. And then I also got her this bunny chocolate from Target. And then one thing I forgot, I got this little cute little bunny car thing from Walmart. Now next I wanna show you, oh, and one thing I forgot are these flashcards. I always like to give something educational, so these flashcards are from Five Below. So yeah, I grabbed these. So now let's go for the decorations. For the decorations, I got these little bunnies that you can put in for from Hobby Lobby. And then I got these cute little flowers. I got this purple and pink one, this yellow one, and this blue one. So the blue will match this. So I can just put it in like both baskets. So I think this will be really cute. And then I saw this and I just could not bring it back home. This little bunny, super cute. And then let's see, oh, here. So I got these ribbons. One is like a striped. I think I'm gonna use this for the Disney one. And then I got some pink ribbons for this one as well. It's like this velvety ribbon. And then, so that for the decorations. Oh, and then I got some mini bunnies, flocked bunnies. So super cute. So now let's move to the Disney basket. So the Disney basket was, I'm so excited to make because we are also going to Disney soon. So I'm really, really excited. This makes me really excited. And I think she will really, really like it. So let's start with the ears. So these are some Stitch ears. So Five Below has a great Disney collection for Easter this year. They have a lot of Stitch and Winnie the Pooh. So I got this. So I got Angel for her. And then I got Daisy. I got Daisy. For this one, I'm going to be using this huge egg. And I'm going to put everything inside. I think this will be really cute. And then I'm going to put paper grass in it. So I got purple, pink, and then I got this. And then just like I'm giving a book and flashcards there, I just wanted to give her a coloring book. So a Disney coloring book. And then also some flashcards. So it's like the opposites. Pre-K flashcards, which is pretty cute. And then I have a Disney water bottle that she can use at school or anything. So always nice to put things that she's actually gonna use. So, and I got this from Five Below. It's this coloring, design, and display thing. It's like Ariel, so I think this is gonna be really cute. So this flower, I saw it on the Disney Store website, and I heard at the parks, these are really expensive, but at Five Below you can get it for like, I think $3 or something, if you check again. But yeah, these are super cheap there, so definitely grab these. They have this is the Mickey one, they have a Winnie the Pooh one, I think a Stitch one. So yeah, definitely check this out. And then I got her this cosmetic set. It has a mirror and some lipsticks or chapsticks, I guess. So this will be really cute and something she will really love. And then I got her some slime. How can you not give slime? And then I also got her this coloring activity art set, a princess one, so I think she'll really like that. And as for the candies and chocolates, I got her these little carrots from Walmart. I think this will be really cute. And then I had to get her this gluey gummy candy, and also this Stitch egg which has candy in it. And I don't know, this one open. This is from Target. Got this cotton candy for her that she will really love. And also another, like, it's basically a chalk set, so she can take this outside. It's a princess one, so I think she will really like this, and she will be able to use it like now and like throughout the summer. So we're first gonna start with the grass. See how much we need.
As you fill up the basket, make sure to just play around a little bit and see where each thing fits best. And then usually I like to put the bigger things in the back and the smaller things in the front so you can see everything clearly. After you have everything organized in the egg the way you like and think it looks nice, it's time to add the decor. I got flower stems and bunnies from Hobby Lobby as well as the Mickey flower, and I'll just place them in between the items to fill the spaces and make the basket look fuller and more decorative. If you guys are planning a Disney trip after Easter, this is a great idea where you can add things that your child can use at Disney World. So this is a great idea, something that they will love and something that will be useful. So this egg that I got from Five Below was a little hard to close up. So yeah, that was a little annoying, but after I got it closed, it was time to add the ribbon. And I just wanted to use the striped ribbons and then wrap it around and just make a cute little bow.
And so this is what it looks like here. So now I'm going to do the second basket. So let's just cut off the back and then let's get the paper press. So again, I start with the book usually, and then I put like the bunny, and then I add everything else around it. And I'm gonna put a chapstick here.
For this basket, I used the tulip cookie that I got from Target, and then I added the blue flower stem, and that made it pop and looked really pretty. for the bow for this basket, I wanted a very soft look, so I wanted like a loose bow. And so I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It was this velvety ribbon that I didn't have any wire, so it was really easy to achieve that look. And then you just kind of like adjust it the way you wanted. So this is how I want it. I want it to be like kind of loose and so surprise everyone, so all my things that I got for my daughter didn't fit in these two baskets, so I had to add a third basket. So thankfully I had an extra basket from Five Below, and I just used that to put the rest of the things. So quick reminder, things don't always go the way you planned, and that's okay. You can just find a solution and go from there. So even though this basket wasn't planned, it came out to be so pretty and so adorable. So sometimes even when you don't plan something, it can turn out really well or even better than you imagined. So that's the final look. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me making 3 Easter baskets, 1 Disney egg basket and 2 classic Easter baskets. And I hope you guys got lots of ideas, and I will see you guys again soon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye and happy Easter!